Hi everyone, this is Kushi from Quash. So last time we learned how to create new tasks, and also from the side panel you learned how to run single test executions. Now in this video we are going to take next step and learn how to create test suite in Quash. A suite is simply a collection of related test cases grouped together. Instead of running like one test at a time, you can run them as sequence to validate the entire flow of your app. So for that I'll just click on suite. And as you can see, this opens up a suite page, and here you will see option to create suite and or just quick start from the history if you want to reuse something that you did before. So let's create a new suite. So I'll just click on create suite, and here you can give your suite a name. So I'm testing Flipkart, so I'll just write here Flipkart, and you can also give a short description if you want to, but that's optional. So I'll just write test online flow. Okay. There's also a feature coming soon where you'll be able to upload your PRT and Figma files, and Quash will generate test cases for you automatically. And this might make things even faster. Now, when you open a new test suite, it will say no task yet. So here's how to add your task. So you have three options here. Setup is basically to prepare your app, for example, install the app or open the app. Test is like the main testing part. You can add multiple tests. And tear down is to clean up, like logging out or closing the app. So I'll just click on setup and I'll write open Flipkart app. Now I'm just gonna add a test and write search for an iPhone 15 Pro and open the first result. Add more, add the product to the cart, remove the product from the cart, and now I'm just gonna add the last tear down. Close the app. You can also pick from your recent task on the side if you like want to add or reuse something that you have done before. You just have to click on it and it will come here. So there's also setting options here by which you can change your AI model, the timeout minutes and maximum steps, and also the features which we had in individual test cases like temperature, vision, thinking, and drag. So I'm just gonna enable this. And now you can either save your test suite or just run your suite. So I'll just run the suite. From here, you have to select your emulator. And as you can see, the suite has started running, and you'll see the progress in real time. And once it's completed, you'll see it reaches to 100% here in this section. So the emulator has already completed the first task. Now, as you can see, Quash has already completed the entire suite, and the progress is now in 100%. So I'll just go to the report section quickly. And from here, you can see your reports, and you'll notice the difference between suite and the normal individual task. So I'll just open the report. You can see the time duration. It was done in just 1 minute, 16 seconds. And from here, you can open the individual task and see the report for the same. And I guess that's it for today's video, guys. Now you have learned how to create, run, and review a test suite in Quash. See you in the next video.